crops. But today, I want to say today is the dreaded day. No, it's not. First of all, hopefully you can hear me over the four-wheeler. We are actually going to start putting up some goat fence. We've kind of been dreading this just because the grass isn't super long, but we are running out of hay. So, if you guys would like, kind of see how we do that, won't you come farming with us? So I'm actually over here by our old hog shed. Turned the hydrant on. I don't know if you can see the sprinkler over there. This is part of our pasture. So Joseph has been trying to water the grass so it grows taller. That's actually like one of the best parts of our pasture. It has pretty good growth. They always just eat it down to dirt. So we're trying to get it to grow. I don't think I'll put them on that part yet. As you can see, we only have one bale left, so probably within the next week or 2 weeks, they're gonna need to be on grass. So we're trying to, we'll probably section this part off right here so they can kind of munch down on the weeds here. And we're gonna try to focus on rotational grazing a little bit more this year, so I'm not sure how many sections we will put it into the fence, but we definitely, the only thing is that we definitely don't have like water for every part. You know, usually we just have the whole part open, or it's in two sections, the whole pasture, and then they just come back to the barn for water. Well, obviously, if you do rotational grazing, you need to have like water for each pen or section. So there's just some things we need to look into a little bit, but we'll just try and figure it out. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what Joseph has been doing. He started the fence. I'm going to kind of show you the supplies we use. I was tending to the garden, and man, it is warm out here. But yeah, I'll show you here and kind of show you the process of what we're doing. So I was talking about this earlier. This kind of grass in here is the stuff we've been watering, and it's kind of like our best grass, I would say, but they really eat it down. So we're going to try and keep them off there for as long as we can. I'll show you this. So we use T-posts, obviously. This white thing is an insulator, and then there's wire on here you can see. I'll show you over here. This is kind of like a driveway to our field, so usually we'll put this down if we need to. These yellow things are also insulators we use. These ones usually we use on these smaller posts. Those white ones we use on the T-posts that are in the corner. So we tied this here. We're basically gonna have them come out of this alleyway. Joseph's taking the wire down. Him and his redneck. Paddle. Can I see a redneck paddle?
Stop it.
So with every post, like T-post, you kind of want a corner insulator. You don't you do want one. So that's what Joseph's doing here. Joseph, can you explain why do you use insulators? Why do you use insulators?
It's to insulate your wire, because it's electric wire. You want to insulate your wire from getting grounded out, so that your electricity can keep making the circuit or whatever to keep your fence hot.
So like if I came up to this part here would be hot, this would not. So a lot of times if you have to adjust your fence, you can like move this up and down, but this part's gonna be plugged into the battery.
Correct.
It'll be hot, and hopefully keeping the animals in. All right, so Joseph is taking the wire down here now. As I told you guys, there's our little sprinkler. He's gonna hook it up to this T-post. And if you've been following us, you know this is our hayfield here. So what's happened in the past is the goats like to get out there and eat the alfalfa. I'm sure it will happen again, but it's kind of why we're like, should we keep the goats? Should we not? Just because it just doesn't seem like any of our fencing attempts have really kept them in. So I think I did have someone comment one time just say that, you know, on their operation, goats didn't really like help them out at all. And I think some days we're getting to that point, but we're still keeping them for now. So, okay, so I'll show you guys. We also use these white insulators. This is all hooked up, and it goes up here, and then that wire runs across this little garage to the T-post. These little posts are up. We used to do 2 wires. Since we got cows, we only do 1. It looks like Joseph's trying to straighten out a post, but I'll just show you. That's kind of how you put the wire in the yellow insulator there, so that it will still have power to it. And it goes to that corner there. So Joseph's taking this fence down so they can go out there now. Everything's set up. Thank you, Jesus. We'll just start with this part and then probably fence off some more as it rains a little bit more, as the grass gets a little shorter. But thankful that is done. Hey, boss! I love this part when we let him out in the grass. It's like best. Here, mama, mama. Here, mama, mama. Look here. Oh, the fence is open. Here, mama, mama. Here, mama, mama. Probs. Yeah. Yeah, we do. We need to do pups too. Here, boss! Oh, she likes that. Is it a baby?
Kelsey, get out. Let her alone. No. Go out. Let her be. Stay out.
It's gonna take him a while to learn because he likes chasing men. Here, Hops! Oh, she's like, it's my day today. It's my day.
Come on, girl. Come on, Barley. Come on, Barley.
Got a little bit of running poo on her butt. Here, Barley calf. Is that Barley calf? Here, Fred. Here, Weedy.
Kelso. No.
Oh, she's loving that. Good girl, Barley.
Oh, Freddie.
It's like, Freedom? Is that really you? Probably hasn't ate grass in a year. No, since August. There she goes.
Come on, Weedy. That's a girl.
Woohoo! Good job, calvies.
Kelso, you're gonna get kicked.